Hey, today I'll be doing a bike check. My first video for YouTube. It'll be do edits, how-tos, all that stuff. BMX. So, first video, I'm gonna do a bike check. Whoa! Everyone's disgusting. Hey, I got a FBM executioner frame. It says FBM right there. If you can read that, I probably can't. Nitrous afterburner forks in orange with a Odyssey peg in the front and Odyssey peg in the back. Left side peg. Yeah. Ooh. Sputnik blue headset integrated. Shadow Attack. Yeah, Shadow Attack stem with I can't see with orange We the People bars. They used to be pink, sprayed them. Looks pretty awesome. Band sticker. Odyssey Chase hot grips. Love them. Super grippy. Buy them. Snafu. Bar ends in clear orange. Super good. They're like fancy plastic that doesn't like fall apart when you first time you drop your bike. So, to the middle, I guess. Okay. Stock plastic pivotal seat. You know, seat to seat. Don't use it. Stock pivotal seat post. Slammed. Who really cares? Odyssey's Mr. Clampy 2. Ugh. Crappy camera. I had to do some stuff right there. Odyssey Mr. Clampy 2. C-clamp in orange. Safety orange. Want to be specific for the colors. Stock cranks. Stricker or something pedals. I'm gonna get some Colony Fantastics in orange. So, look for that. I'll turn it around. See my chain wheel. So I got the 25-2 stock sprocket, FBM, rusty KMC chain, and then the back. Oh crap! I forgot my front wheel. I'll do the back one first. I got a Lean Man rim laced to a Black Ops 9-tooth cassette. You've probably never heard of it. I never have. I got it from the bike shop, and like 2 months after I got the bike, I broke the back rim. So my mom was mad at me, so she bought me a cheap one. It was like $30 for the rim. Snafu Malcolm folding tire, really cool. It looks really sick. I recommend it. Okay, then back to my front little wheel dealio. It's a custom wheel. Eastern Burnout tire. I don't know if you could see that? No, you cannot. It's a demolition hub laced with Primo spokes to the Sun Rhino Light rim with super tight spokes. And it has the cool little eyelets. Probably can't even see them. Makes some noise. That's the only reason it makes a noise, because the spokes are so tight, the whole entire thing like, literally vibrates. Doesn't do it in your riding. Recommend the rim, not so much the... the house pretty good. I like it. I'll do my... and it's 2.10 in the front, 1.95 in the back. I'll do my hub noise. It's pretty quiet. I don't like super loud ones, but I'm glad it's not silent. I'm brakeless. My back rim right now is actually bent. That's how I roll. Comment, rate, subscribe, and look for my first YouTube edit. Rock on.